Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is a little different than our normal teaching videos. I was just preparing our morning school and I thought I'll just compile all the school that we do and make a video for you guys so that you can go back to it and take ideas. So today I am sharing the morning school that I make for baby bird. She is 4 years old and I have just started doing proper organized kind of schooling with her now. We haven't done a lot, just beginning her interest in counting and numbers and wanting to read all of a sudden. So first off, we do our morning binders. We start our mornings with morning binders that I've made for them. These are just basics. They're numbers, phonics. I just have a go through her phonics with her. She has a pre-writing strokes and numbers and all that revision that's needed daily. We go through it every day, most days, but almost every day. And then I am making these little morning baskets for them now. That should be really fun. It's easier for me to stay on top of things if I make these morning school kind of things for them, just prepared for the morning. So let's show you what's inside. I'll just put on the date here in the video so that you know that what day is it and how we are going about our schooling. So she knows the numbers from 1 to 10, and I forgot to add one thing. I'll just bring it. So here, tiles. So she knows the numbers from 1 to 10 and she's just beginning to recognize 11 to 20. So we are working on that, and I am also having her work on her number order and counting. So this basket has all her numbers, wooden numbers. These are actually lacing toys, the numbers, and I use them a lot for everything. They have these basic signs also, plus, minus, and equal to. So this basket has her numbers from 1 to 20 and her counters that she can use for counting. So that should be quick. Just pull out and start. First she lays out her she lays out her tiles from 1 to 10. Then she puts the numbers in order, and then we work from 11 to 20. So, and then she counts. So that's our math for the day. And I've also made a teeny bitty of worksheet for her, missing numbers. She will just write. She loves writing. She will just write the numbers 1, 2, 3, the missing numbers. So, and then she is through her 2-letter blends and she's really good at it by now. So tomorrow I am going to start working on her 3-letter blends. So she'll just redo her blends, back, head, all that. I have a video on this, so you can just go back to that and see how it's done. Tomorrow I'm just going to have her practice her, see if she can pick the 3-letter blends: b, a, bat, bat, and then k, a, cat, cat. So we are going to practice just like that all the way to z. Silly words and real words, that also can be the discussion, but I'll have her join the 3 letters and see if she can read. So that's what we're going to do, and then she is going to go through a page of her workbook. I like to give her 1 page every day. She will just trace and numbers, and then she will write and her shapes. So this is a workbook that I made for her, and if you're interested in purchasing it, you can contact me on my Instagram. And then once she is done finishing it all up, I will give her the scissor and have her cut these rectangles you really need to get their fine motor skills too. Working on their hand muscles, and scissors are a great way to get that practice in. So once she's done writing, I'll have her cut. She can cut anything, maybe just the rectangles, maybe these squares, and or maybe just cut it all up, all the pieces, and then have them staple them together as a little book that she did today, and that kind of stuff, just making it fun for her. So that's all the school that she will be doing tomorrow for day one. It's like if she goes through this in one day, I'm more than happy. That's enough for a 4-year-old, and all they should be doing at this stage is play, 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 play. So if they're playing all day and doing this much of work, it's more than enough. You should be a happy mother. So that's it for the day. See you tomorrow. Day 2, morning school for baby bird. Very simple and quick. She's working on her number order. So the tiles for that, her numbers from 1 to 10, and tomorrow I will make it a little different for her. I have her wooden blocks here, and I will have her make towers for the numbers. If she is doing 9, I will ask her to make a tower with 9 cubes. So that is what's actually needed at this stage. Fine motor skills in these little activities that we just ignore and have them work on like academics. But make sure that you throw in fine motor skills here and there when you're doing school with them. So she will be counting, making towers, practicing her fine motor skills, her number order, all in one. So that is there. And then she has her shape cards to practice. She will just have fun tracing them out. Nothing biggie. All the shapes in there. Her dry erasable marker, her tiles to practice her number order, and a page from her preschool workbook. And then again, this is daily practice. So we did this today, and we'll do it again till she gets the hang of it. So that is there. And I will also have her go through her Urdu huruf. She's still working on her identification, so I am going to have her go through these. So that's simple and quick for her again. Day 3, morning school for baby bird. So everything is same. I just like to change things up. She's in preschool. She's doing preschool. She's counting, doing her numbers, phonics. Nothing different. The same things every day, but I just like to change them up. So she's working on her number order. She has her tiles for that. She will lay them out and put the number order, and she's also working on her teen numbers. So I have them also. We just go through them every day. So there is that. And then for tomorrow, I want her to count every day. For tomorrow, I am putting these chain toys, and she will have to chain the numbers. Like if she will just put them in the right order first, and then 1 1, and then 2, she will put together 2 shapes. These are very good for hand muscles. They give them a really good workout. You can clearly see how difficult it is for me to put them together. So they need quite a lot of force to get them together. So I will have her do this nice work on her fine motor skills. So that is there. These shapes just go together and chain. So it's really nice. And then her shape cards, she loved doing these. So I'm adding them again, maybe every day. Nice practice. And then I made some worksheets for her. Addition, she has just learned to add. So very simple addition for her. She practices her addition after doing the number order and counting also with the same toys. But I wanted to have some independent work for her also. So that is very simple worksheet for her. And then again, I made another color-coded worksheet for her. This is a little fish, and I added some addition. This I think will be a little tricky for her Maybe she can do it, maybe not, I don't know. Let's see. But addition and then 1 plus 1, so she will oh, I had to write 2 there, so that's 4. Anyway, I'll correct it. But 1 plus 1 2, so that, so she's coloring blue. This is a little tricky, that's why I added some counters also to balance it out. Let's see if she can do it, but a nice color coded practice. And then I am adding her beginning sound phonic cards. This is again a resource that I made, and Birdie really loved this, and now I'm using it with Baby Bird. I have used a little but not a lot with her, but I think she needs this because she's she is doing well with her 2-letter blends, but she's just not getting the hang of 3-letter blends. So she's reading them out with the vowels. 2-letter blends is going well, but still I think she needs some warm up. So she will be able to do these quickly. So I'm adding these for warm up, for phonic warm up. So she will just trace out the maze, things that start with N, she will cover them and reach finish. I'm adding 2 cards for practice, and then maybe we can, once she is confident enough, then maybe I can have her work on her 3-letter blending again. So whenever your child is struggling, just go a one step back and have them practice. They will gain their confidence, they will know that they can do it, and then the next step again, you will, when you will do it again, they will be ready for it and get the hang easily. So that is there. And simple ideas, just nice warm up. This is complete for a preschool. Like if your child is 4 years old and is doing this much, it's more than enough. They need to play all day. If they're doing this much of school, it's quite a lot for them, and you should be happy if they are sitting with you to get through this. So I hope you will pick some ideas from this video, and I hope you will try them with your child and enjoy your school, make memories, and have lots of fun. Inshallah, I'll be sharing more of such videos if you are interested. Just your feedback is really appreciated, and I will know what kind of videos I should work on. So I will highly appreciate if you will leave some feedback, and if you will subscribe and like the video so that I know that this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching. Inshallah, until next time, Allah Hafiz.